no one is actually telling you the secret behind making money with this particular app called Boomlive. Now in this video, I'm going to be opening the secret on how you can actually use this app to earn every single day. I would need your attention right in this video because what I'll be saying right in this video is very elaborative. Okay, so all you have to do is to pay attention step by step. I will advise you jot down things I'll be saying right in this video, because after watching this video I will advise you implement and start using this particular app to earn every single day. Now, using this particular app does not require you paying any fee and does not require you referring any user. It is totally free and you can earn every single day while using it. Now, in exchange of the value you'll be getting in this video, all I ask right now is to please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you're about to watch right now. So right now we are going to get started by registration and how you can use this app to earn every single day. Now, first of all, before I go ahead with the explanation of how you can earn with this app, if you have a Boomplay on your device, on your phone, please delete it. Go ahead right now and delete it before clicking the first link on the pinned comment section. Now, once you are done deleting it, click the first link on the pinned comment section and you're going to be brought into this interface. Make sure that you have deleted your Boomplay already installed on your phone, because if you don't delete it, you'll be having issues while doing your verification using this app. So after you have clicked the first link, you'll be brought into this interface. Come right here and download immediately. Now, once you have clicked the download immediately, you'll be brought into this interface of installing this app. Now go ahead to install this app using the link on the pinned comment section. Now, after installing this app, all you just have to do right now is to click this app and open this app. Once this app opens, you are going to be having this interface like this. Now, what you just have to do is to click on start now. So once you click on start now, you'll be brought into this interface. Just go ahead to agree to this, and so just go ahead, click on allow. Once you click on allow, the next thing you want to do is your face verification, because without your face verification you can't earn while using this app. Now, to go ahead doing your face verification right now, just come over this icon right here, click on it, and it's going to bring you over to this interface. Right now, all you just have to do is to come over to where it says video. Okay, so just go ahead to click on video. Now, when you come right to face authentication, you can actually see that mine has been verified. Now just come over to this icon and verify your face verification. Okay, so you can also upload your picture right here to verify your account with your face verification or your picture. So once that is done, the next thing you want to do is to go back to your account, or better still, just click on go live and you'll be allowed to do your face verification, which is very important. Now, after you might have signed up, downloaded the app and signed up, the next thing you want to do is to join an agency. Now, I'll be showing you how to join an agency right on this app. The secret of earning massively while using this app is joining an agency. So I'll be directing you on how you can join my agency and also how you can earn while on my agency. Now, listen attentively. To join an agency, to join my agency, all you have to do is to click the second link on the pinned comment section. Okay, so once you click the second link on the pinned comment section, it's going to bring you over to this interface where it says join the agency. So what you're going to do right now is to click on join the agency. So once you click on join the agency, the next thing you want to do is to go back to your Boomlive app. Once you go back to your Boomlive app, the next thing you need to do is to come over to your notification right here. You're going to be seeing it right here to join my agency. So all you have to do is just to accept this agency, and automatically I'm going to grant you approval under my agency. Now, after you might have joined my agency, the third thing you need to do is to come over to your account. Come under where it says my growth. Okay, so once you come under my growth, come under regular tax. Now, all these taxes you just need to do them. Okay, now also when you come over to newcomer tax, you can actually see that you need to do all these tax for you to earn your first $1 right on this app. Okay, then come down where it says host growth. So once you go under host growth, you just have to come under this level tax. Now everything under this level tax, you just need to go through it and perform all these tasks. As you can see right here, all these tasks needs to be attended to. Now once you are done with all these tasks, you will be given $1. So anytime you go live right on your account, you will be given $1 for every 2 hours you go live using your account. Now you can also see the salary tax. You can go ahead doing all these tasks just to activate your account fully for earning. Okay, so right now I said go over to the level tax and go through all these tasks, do all these tasks to activate your earnings right on this app. Make sure all these tasks are activated right on your account for you to start earning while using this app. Now I'll be gifting everyone that comes to my live. Okay, so that is why I advise you join the agency right on this app. Once you are able to join the agency, once I'm live, you're going to be notified and I'm going to be gifting you your first gift on this app, and that will actually increase your chances of earning while using this app. Another thing you need to do for me to be able to give you seats and also gift you while I'm live, come over to your account right here. Look at what I did. Come over to your profile icon where it shows your picture. Now come right here and click on your profile. Come down to edit profile, then come down to where you can actually find your name. Now at the back of your name, just add this logo just for me to signify that you are part of my agency. Now you can actually see that at the end of my name I actually added a cam. Now click on save. So whenever your name appears on my live, I'm going to know that you are under my agency. Okay, so this is actually what you just need to do. At the end of your name, add a king crown so I can notify you are under my agency. So now this is very easy. What I did first was to first of all use the first link to download the Boomlive app. Okay, so once you're done downloading this app, the next thing you need to do is to register your account. After your registration, next thing you need to do is to verify your face ID. Okay, so just go ahead uploading a picture or using your face to verify your account. Now once your account is verified, the next thing you need to do is to join my agency. I just showed you how to join my agency. Now after that, add a king crown at the end of your name, so whenever I'm going live, I'm going to be gifting you. Now this is how you're going to earn. For every 2 hours you live stream with this particular Boomlive, you're going to be getting $1 for every 2 hours. Now imagine you are actually going live every 2 hours and you are earning $1 each. You should know how much you're making right while using this app. Now it is advisable you join my WhatsApp group or my Telegram channel, where I'm going to direct you more on how you can leverage on this app and increase your earnings, because there are some strategies I'll be dropping down on my WhatsApp group which you are not going to be finding in this video. So it is advisable you use the link on the pinned comment section, join my WhatsApp group and also my Telegram channel, so I can advise and direct you on how to leverage more on this platform. So that is all you can actually find while using this platform. This is actually the new updates right online. Set up an account following the procedures I just showed you and start earning with this app. I hope you understood all I said right in this video, and also if you actually got value from this video, please do well to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and most especially turn on the bell notification so YouTube can notify you whenever I upload any valuable content like what you just watched. See you on my next video and keep winning.